Hi Kabahay, we are now here at the Versailles Alabang. So if you are looking for a property, single detached unit property located along Muntinlupa City, this is Sophia model. It has a lot area of 263 square meters and floor area of 224 square meters. And meron itong 3 bedrooms and it can accommodate 4 cars here at the carport area. Let's check this here. So Kabay, we are here at the carport area. So as you can see, this is a covered carport area. And then the flooring is made of pebbles and tiles. So it can accommodate at least 4 cars in the carport area. Kabahay, we are now here at the setback area. So as you can see, we have a sliding door here. Access going to our dining area. So on this side, we can set a landscape garden. And we have an access here going to our service area. So as you can see, the perimeter line, since this is a single detached property, it has a 2 to 3 meters wide. We have a laundry area here. And then another access door going to our kitchen area. So on this area mga kabahay, we can set another landscape garden here and we have another lanai number 2 on this right side of our property. So kabahay, as you can see, we are now here at the frontage of our property where you can have an ample space for your garden and see the modern design of our facade. So let's get inside na sa ating property. Let's check our Sophia model. So as you can see mga kabahay, ang ating living area is high ceiling. So pwede kayong maglagay dito ng magandang chandelier. Meron tayong mga window dito and another sliding door going to our lanai area. So as you can see, very spacious ito. And since this is a complete finish turnover, no need na po ng additional construction unless you prefer to do another extra design for your house. So this is the dining area mga kabay. So as you can see, cove ceiling, sliding door, another access going to our lanai number 1. We're now here at the kitchen area mga kabay. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong center island, built-in cabinets, and a place for your refrigerator or your gas range. We have here kitchen sink. And then we have built-in cabinets here on the side. So here at the kitchen area, we have a storage area and maid's room. So this is the maid's room with own toilet and bath. So here at the ground floor area, we have another powder room under the staircase. Let's check our second floor. So as you can see, our staircase is made of concrete and wood tiles. So as you can see, the ceiling is high and it has a proper natural lighting because of our fixed window. So here at the second floor mga kabay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms with own toilet and bath. Let's check bedroom number 1. So here at the bedroom number 1, we have a built-in cabinet, and as I have mentioned earlier, we have own toilet and bath, each room here at the second floor. Toilet and bath here at the bedroom number 1. So as you can see at the bathroom area, we have complete fixtures, so nothing is needed. Bedroom number 2. So same as bedroom number 1, we have here a built-in cabinet which is included in our turnover. And the size of this bedroom, it can fit a double-sized bed. And of course, we have own toilet and bath here at the bedroom number 2. Please check the bathroom here at the bedroom number 2. So before we move to our master's bedroom, please appreciate the view here at the hallway going to our living area. So here is the master's bedroom here at the second floor. So as you can see, it can accommodate a king-size bed. We have an access going to our balcony. And the good thing here at the master's bedroom, mga kabahay, we have a walk-in closet and own toilet and bath. So this is the walk-in closet going to our own toilet and bath. Let's check our balcony area. So as you can see here at the balcony area, it's very spacious. So you can place a coffee table here at the balcony area. So kabahay, if you are interested to view our Sophia model here at the Versailles Alabang, please do not hesitate to message us at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Bon Charlie Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.